Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So I just wanted to give a quick update on THG so far, because remember, I did say yesterday, how can you confirm that we are ready to move on from here? Aim for the neckline. When you have a breakout on this neckline, this could be another buying opportunity because you know that this particular neckline we will break this price right here and most likely back test this as support before continuation to $11.91. Yeah, so remember that head and shoulders that I was talking about? The conservative quote unquote scenario that we wanted to happen? Well, THG just said screw that and bolted off into space. So one of the scenarios that I did tell you guys was so you either buy on the EMAs or you buy on the neckline. So this is exactly why these support levels exist. It's because just in case it doesn't come back, look at where price adheres to. It adheres to the neckline of the pattern that was playing out. So for those of you who are wondering, why is price not coming down? This is why. It's because it found support on the neckline. So you may be wondering, if the head and shoulders pattern is not happening, what's next then? So right now, we appear to be on the cusp of a cup and handle pattern. Right now, it's meeting some resistance at the all-time highs right here. What we want to happen is you have some sort of consolidation right here first, but eventually rally and break the all-time highs. And once you break the all-time highs, you are in price discovery mode. So one thing to note when things are in price discovery mode. So let's say we formed our cup and handle and then we broke off and now we're in price discovery mode. How do we know what to aim for, or where could the journey be? So this is where Fibonacci retracements are very useful because it allows us to see, one, where we're going, and two, using past data, what could be the potential levels moving forward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay my Fibonacci retracement. By the way, if you want your Fibonacci retracement, put it on a logarithmic scale, don't put it on a linear scale because we're dealing with crypto, so the rate of change is faster. So this is a Fibonacci layout where you have a string of Fibonacci numbers here. And where could we potentially go? You typically put the high as 1 and the local low as 0 and see where the journey takes us. Right now, if this is going to be another Elliott wave journey, then you could potentially see this as wave 1. We will probably hit the 1 as a resistance level, probably come back maybe around here in the 786, which is currently not on the chart, or the 618. Then you could potentially have a 1618 as your wave 3. You can fall down to the 1414 as wave 4, and our wave 5 will probably be around $22 right here. Am I just pulling it out of my ass though? Not really, because one thing is if you look to the left, so let's look at the sequence to the left and see how far did it actually take. So I will ignore this candle wick right here because it's not really relevant to what we want to achieve here. Things started to normalize at around September 19. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to refer to this high and this low to see the Fibonacci retracement and potentially map out where we ended up. Let me just line it up. So in the previous run-up, what happened was you had a local high here and a local low. And where it eventually led to, it eventually went to the 2.72 extension. In fact, it overshot it by a little bit. Can we expect the same rally for the next wave up? Who knows? Maybe. If you want to be more aggressive, then this is a potential price target right now. So around $22. Let's see how it plays out. In the meantime, for those of you who own THG, once again, congratulations to all of us. I also own THG. I do hope that this particular token does really well. And I'll see you to the moon, guys. Another thing to note about THG is, remember I told you guys that THG's price action is very healthy. What do I mean by that? What I mean by a healthy price action is when you have impulsive and corrective waves that are within suitable ranges from each other. So this is an example of a healthy range where you go up, but you go down, and you go up, and you go down, and you go up, and you go down, and you go up, and you go down. The good thing about this type of price action is it's very clear where you should accumulate and where you should sell. If I compare THG, for example, with GALA games, look at what happened to GALA. You have an immediate mooning of the token that had a 600% upside over 4 days. And that is usually what I term the deal with the devil, because what happens after? When you have too quick of an upside, you are left with a very long accumulation phase. We don't know if this will pick up again in the near future. So this is why I really like THG, because if you look at THG's price action, it comes in waves. So it's very healthy. While of course, if tomorrow THG's value is $100, then I would be the happiest man in the world. I will not complain, but I will sell though. In the meantime, let's enjoy THG's price action. If you want to accumulate more THG, then we will continue to explore its buying opportunities. And that's it. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also want me to take a look at other games, just feel free to leave it in the comments below, and maybe I'll look at it. And that's it for me. Bye bye.